Idea number 19 is real estate house walkthroughs. So if you're a realtor yourself, or you know a realtor, or you want to reach out to one and see if you can partner up and run a channel like this, an example channel that does this is called Open House 24. And as you can see, they simply make videos walking through these different houses. There's no talking in the videos whatsoever, and these videos actually get millions of views. And this channel right here gets almost 3 million views per month. So this channel is getting a lot of views, and the houses don't even necessarily need to be mansions to get a lot of views either. As you can see, a lot of these houses are very big, but if we sort it by their newest videos right here, a lot of their houses are just simple, normal, everyday houses, and it can still get a lot of views. And you could potentially make a lot of money if you were to partner with a realtor or real estate agent, and you get a commission for every single house sale that you get. That could potentially make a lot of money, or get leads for a real estate practice if you own one yourself or you know someone who does.